Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm gonna start with my brows. I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil. I'm also gonna use my e.l.f. Camo concealer for the top of my brows and my Urban Decay for the bottom. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my Juvia Place Concealer in 16. I'm going to use my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach to set it. Now I'm using the Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm going to take that shade right there and I'm going to put it in my crease. And then I'm also going to take that brown shade and put that on my lids. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my Ioni lashes and my AOA Studio Lash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm going to use my Essence mascara. This is the waterproof one. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Now I'm going to use my I Love Revolution Mattifying Priming Spray. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm going to use the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. Now for my neck area, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in 13 Chestnut. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer again, and this is in Deep Cinnamon. And I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. Now to highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer again. This is in Medium Dark Warm. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark and use that top shade to contour my nose as well as go around my jawline. The other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm just blending out that concealer that I had down. Now to set that concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Banana Translucent Powder. I thought this powder was just okay. I might give it another try, see if I change my mind, but it definitely didn't work as well as my 88 setting powder. So, but I just might give it another try and just see. Now for my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and just use that as my blush. And then I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. Now for my lips, I'm using my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. And I'm going to use my Morphe Lip Gloss in Groovy. Now to set my face, I'm going to use my Cover FX setting spray. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I just want to achieve something that's very easy for anybody to do. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. I'm trying to grow my channel. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.